Listen, yup, that stuff looked like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days.
Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get,
What would you say? He whacks it on and off, Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors, Ari Curry. Look at me now, look at me now. I'm getting paper. Look at me now, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh, what? Little figure, bigger than gorilla, cause I'm killing every jigger that try to be on my stuff. Better cuff your man if you with him, I can get him, cause he accidentally slip and fall on my crack. Oops, I said on my crack. I didn't really mean to say on my crack, but since we talking about my crack, all you haters say hi to that. I'm done. No, really though, I'm not done.
let's go.
Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. But I know that I don't and I won't ever stop, cause you know I gotta win every day. See, they don't really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never stop me. And I know that I can be a little cocky. Oh, you ain't never gonna flop me. Every time I come a jigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shatter any little thing a jigga think it be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, bada bing. I gotta do a lot of things and make it clear to a couple